Our mission statement is to worry about our customers' vehicles so they don't have to. But one thing that we need to know is that when a car is repaired, that it's repaired correctly, and having the proper parts is really important. And one of the things that we do is we rely on the name brands that we can trust, and Gates is definitely one of those name brands that we trust.
I can remember you could have 10 belts and 10 radiator hoses and you had it covered. That's just not the case anymore. Now you got some cars that got 15 hoses on them by themselves between coolant, vacuum. I mean, it's just endless. So that's why O'Reilly is a key partner with shops.
We have a great relationship with O'Reilly's. The reason why our relationship is so special is because we have many programs that help facilitate more business for O'Reilly's and for Gates, so it helps grow the business together.
We choose Gates often because we know we can rely on their parts. If a vehicle is repaired here, we need to know and have confidence that when it leaves, that it's not going to come back because of a broken part. So Gates has been a reliable vendor and manufacturer for us.